It's time to save some money on tech without sacrificing quality. Here at Tom's Hardware, we've tracked down some of the best deals on tech and computer components around the web to help you find great savings. Whether you're looking for CPUs, graphics cards, laptops, monitors, 3D printers, or any kind of maker product, you can save a lot of money right now. Here's some quick takeaway facts. Prices for PC hardware are on the decline due to lower demands for flash memory and GPUs, so take advantage now. We've done some legwork for you and narrowed down the best deals on PC hardware, laptops, peripherals and more. When looking for tech deals, it can be hard to separate the hype from the real deal. That's why we've taken a closer look and highlighted some of the best promotions and sales. We've checked all the deals we've found to prove that there are valuable savings and notable discounts. How's that for trust? To find the best deals, we recommend using sites like Google Shopping and Peak Part Picker. Amazon shoppers can also use the website Camel and its Camelizer Chrome extension to see a product's price history. This will give you an idea of the average price, so you can be certain that you're getting the most out of your money. Some of the best deals we've found include savings of up to 47% off CPUs, GPUs and SSDs on Amazon, a ThinkPad X1 Carbon with Core i5, 16GB, 512GB now just $1,151 on Lenovo, and up to $1,350 of gaming laptops and desktops on Dell. Newegg is offering up to $200 off graphics cards and up to $170 off CPUs. When it comes to gaming laptops, you can find great deals on MSI as well as Alienware, so set your sights on those for amazing savings. Speaking of gaming, there are some great prices to be found on PC cases, motherboards, PSUs and coolers too. For maker products, check out the deals on 3D printers from Ultimaker, Prusa and more. We've organized all of the information on our website according to categories, so you can always find exactly what you're looking for. Our expert reviewers spend hours testing and comparing products and services so you can choose the best for you. Don't miss this amazing opportunity to save. Shop tech and computer components wisely, your wallet and your computer will thank you.